Hi, my name's Jessie Sheehan, and I am a cookbook writer living in New York City. And I met Karen before I went to Uruguay on my last trip. I've been 4 times.
Thank you so much for taking some time to talk to me. You don't have a personal connection with Uruguay, and yet since 2018, you and your family have spent New Year's here 4 times. What's up with that?
So we originally started coming because we had very good friends who had actually been at least twice before we came. So we still go with them. So they must be on like their sixth time, I think. And they were just telling us about this incredible place where they stayed, about this incredible town called Jose Ignacio in Uruguay. They were telling us about these incredible barbecues where you would eat all this incredible food outside, telling us about the beaches, telling us about these beautiful seaside restaurants, and everything about it sounded spectacular, fantastic. Horses, you know, the hotel, that was like a ranch with horses and cows kind of just like grazing around you. And actually it was my husband, not me, who originally said, oh my God, that sounds amazing. We need to do that. And it just ended up being exactly what we had hoped it would be. And then we kept coming back.
What made you keep coming back?
So I would say a combination of the fact that we were traveling with a particular family, and it was sort of a fun ritual and a fun tradition to bring our children and their children together. And so I think definitely the family connection is part of the draw. And then in addition, the place really resonated for all of us, and felt special enough to want to return to. And I, for one, am a creature of habit. So I like to go back to the same place that I've been to before, so that each year I know where all the restaurants are. I know the shops that I love to go to. I recognize the people. Like, I like that.
Matt, your husband, reached out to me a few weeks before you came for New Year's 2023 to do a trip planning session together, because he wanted to do something a little different this time.
You were amazing. We had never sort of gone off campus, as it were, and gone and pursued another ranch that might have horses. And we did that through you and had an incredible experience doing that. Although I felt like I knew all of the restaurants, or a lot of the restaurants, because we go out to eat so frequently. But you introduced us to different places that I had never been before. So I thought that was fabulous. You gave us names of people we can bird with and people we can fish with. And those are the kinds of things that are really important and fun for my husband, particularly, and my older son. We just felt like we were getting to go and do things in Uruguay that we had never done before, because we sort of had like an insider's recommendations, and that would be you.
Excellent. If anybody wants to get in contact with you, because you are a famous cookbook writer who is recommended by the New York Times, how can people get in contact with you, Jessie?
They can direct message me on Instagram. I specialize in making easy baking recipes that can be assembled in 20 minutes or less, with ingredients that are already in your pantry, and with no special equipment, just like a bowl and a whisk and a spatula.
Brilliant. All right. Well, thank you so much again. It's been really great to talk again post-trip.
Yes. Thank you, Karen. Again, you were just a lifesaver. We just loved being able to refer to your books and just our conversations with you.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
If you'd like to find out more about the travel planning consultation that Jessie and her husband did, then just go to our store on guruguay.com, check out the store and hit vacation.